everyone, we're going to use the given ratio and information in the figure to find the value of the variables. So we're going to start with 27 here. So we have CD is to AB, and that equals 5 to 3. So CD is 65 meters, and then AB is we don't know, so we'll put an X there. So let's deal with this right here. And we're going to write this as cross multiply. And you get, if you want to rewrite it, you can write as 3 to 5 equals X to 65 meters. And then we can just cross up this way. So I'll just cross up that way. 65 meters times 3 to 5 equals X. So basically we have 65 divided by 5 is going to be, divided by 5 is 13. So that cancels out. And 13 times 3 equals X, which is 39 meters. So that means your AB here is 39 meters, this length right here. Okay, the next one, we have RS to RT is 13 to 25. RS is 104, and RT is 18Z minus 16. So we'll just cross multiply here, and you get 13 times 18Z minus 16 equals 25 times 104. 13 times 18 is 234Z. 13 times 16 is 208. And 25 times 104 is 2600. Now let's add 208 to both sides. And you get 234Z equals 2808. Divide both sides by 234, and that gives you Z is 12. You just divide both sides by 234. So plug in Z here, and we can find that ratio because we need to find RT. So RT is going to be 18. Do 18 times 12 minus 16. So RT is going to be 18 times 12 minus 16. That gives you 200. So this length here is 200. So you would write this as 200 once you solve for Z. And the last one is we have both B and C. So we have a kind of the transitive property here. So I'm going to do the first two because they both have B's in them. So we have X, Y is to YC. That's going to be XY is B minus 7. And YZ is B plus 20. And our ratio is going to be 7 to 10. So when you cross multiply, you get 10 times B minus 7 equals 7 times b plus 20. That gives you 10b minus 7 equals 7b plus 140. All right, so I'm going to subtract 7b from both sides, add 7. So this is going to use 3b equals 147. Divide 147 by 3, and you get b equals 49. So we want to do next, it doesn't matter which one we want to do. Let's just go ahead and do this one. And so we'll start with that, and that's 10 to 14. But what I want to do first is plug in my 49 here. You plug in 49 to that gives you 69. So this length right here is 69. And then we can solve for c. So we have yz to xz. And that's going to be yz is 69. And xz is 5c minus 24. And that equals 10 to 14. So cross multiply, we get 14 times 69 equals 10 times 5c minus 24. So 14 times 69 is 966 equals 50c minus 240. Subtract 240 from 966. Oh my goodness, let's see. 966 minus 240, it gives you 720. So you subtract 240, you get 726 equals 50c. So c is 726 divided by 50 gives you 14. Oops, sorry about that. 14.52. And you plug that in, you get 5 times 14.52 minus 24. So this is going to give you 48.6. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.